tech tip for business. Two of the most commonly asked questions I get when it comes to business continuity and disaster recovery planning is, what does it mean when you ask about the RPO and the RTO? So these are very common acronyms. Recovery point objective is the first one. And this basically means objective. I can't talk and type too well. This basically means the point from which an incident happened. Let's say this is the boom. We always call it the point of boom, but the point in which a ransomware attack occurred or a disaster strikes your office. And if you think about this on a timeline, your recovery point objective means how far back can you go in history to recover from your backup. So your recovery point might be 2 hours. It might be 24 hours, but knowing your recovery point is very important because it's going to dictate how frequently you take backups. Now, the second most commonly asked acronym is RTO, which is Recovery Time Objective. And this means the point from the boom forward is how long do you expect it to take, or do you want it to take, before you are fully back up and operational. So essentially, how long does the recovery activity need to last? And so again, a lot of organizations will say 24 hours, I need to be up and running and back to business. And knowing your recovery point objective and your recovery time objective allows you to estimate what is the total amount of time that you will lose data and ultimately be unable to transact.